With Windows Vista, it's easy to share a single computer among several users. Each person can have a separate user account with its own settings and preferences. For example, each user can choose a unique desktop background and color theme. The type of user account you have determines your privileges on the computer. There are two main types of accounts. An administrator account was created when Windows was installed. It gives you full access to the computer. You can change system-wide settings, install software and hardware, set up parental controls, and see other users' files. A standard user account lets you perform common tasks and work with your own files. But you can't change system-wide settings or see other users' files. Because a standard account has fewer privileges, it helps protect your computer from security threats. This makes it the best choice for everyday use. Now let's log on to an account. The Welcome screen appears when you start Windows, and it shows all of the accounts on the computer. Your password is the key to your account. For security, it's a good idea to have a password for each account. Once you're logged on, the Start menu displays your account name and picture. To check what kind of account you're using, you go to the Control panel. Click User Accounts and Family Safety, and then click User Accounts. Here, you can see that we're currently using a standard account. This is also where you can change settings for your account, such as your password or picture. Let's change the picture. Notice that these tasks are marked with a shield. That means they require administrator privileges. If you click one of these tasks as a standard user, you'll be asked to provide the password for an administrator account to continue. Now let's learn how to switch to a different account. You click here on the Start menu, and then click Switch User. If you don't see this option, click Log Off instead. This time, we'll log on as Kathy. Because this is an administrator account, we can use it to add a new user account to the computer. Even though we're logged on as an administrator, Windows prompts us for permission to continue. That's a security precaution to make sure that you started the task, not a virus or a hacker. Now let's create the new account. You type a name for the account, and then choose the account type. Most people should use a standard account. Next, set a password for the new account. That prevents other users from accessing the user's files. Back on the Welcome screen, you can see the new account we added. Now you know the basics of working with user accounts. For more information about user accounts, click Help and Support on the Start menu.